Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhoopesh. Hope you're doing well. So today we want to do another important session on Agent Zero, which is very popular, and I have already done multiple sessions on Agent Zero. We'll keep it short and quick. I'm going to tell you how to install Agent Zero and Ollama into the same Docker network, so that you don't need to worry about how the ports will be getting called and how you can actually do the same thing into the one session, and you will not get this kind of documentation anywhere onto the internet. So I'll making it quick. This is a simple Docker Compose file that I'll be putting into the description of this video. So in the same network, I'll be pulling the Ollama, image, the container name Ollama, and it will running on 11434. This is the volume which can we can mount from our local Unix or Linux volume to the container level volume. Now, what is this Ollama keep live? So whatever model that we are starting from agent zero, that will be on live for 24 hours, so that it should not be getting disconnected when we are asking any query. And we are doing a health check also, that Ollama list, it will give me the health check before actually it runs the container. And I'm installing the agent zero also using a image. Either you can use any other image also. I'm using this image because that is having the previous version. There are a couple of environment variables that you need to pass. Ollama base URL is something which will be used for agent zero coordination for getting the data. Context length should be 32,000, that is for sure. That has been advocated by agent zero team also. And Ollama keep alive is again 24 hours, and light LLM stream should be false, so that you can get minimum number of warnings into your screen. So the moment you have this, then do you need to come simply and then do Docker Compose up, and then you will be able to see these two containers on my screen, right? I'm not going to run it because my system is super slow, but the moment you do Docker Compose up in detached mode, you will see the agent zero will come up nicely into a proper network, same network. And then you can simply come here and then check the agent zero is running, and the Ollama is also running on your local host. And then once both these two things are running, you can simply come here and change the settings to your Ollama. What are the settings that you need to change? You need to come to the chat model and then change open router to the Ollama, and give any model which you want. Suppose I'm using Llama 3, whatever model, and then give this context length to 32,000, and give this URL to http Ollama, then 11434. So I'm saying to agent zero, please contact my Ollama which is running on this port in the same network, and then get the job done. Similarly, you need to fill the utility model and make sure that you are putting this num underscore ctx is equals to 32,000, and the same thing needs to be copied on utility and browser model. So you change all these things for utility, and make sure that you're putting the this variable this here also, and browser also. And make sure your web model and chat model is same, and utility model can be a small model which can be a quick response. And do not change anything on the embedding model, which is the Hugging Face. Just save it, and then simply when you save it, you can ask any number of questions to your agent zero simply by uh, you can then let me, and then you can ask anything from the agent zero from here, like hi, how are you doing, and so on. So these are the things that you need to do. The what are the important thing that I want to showcase, that you can do everything wrap up into a docker compose file, so that it becomes easy for maintenance, and then you can be a lift and shift thing for you. And yeah, that is pretty much. I will be posting this docker compose file, so that you can quickly run your agent zero and Ollama into the same network, and then get the job done and ask anything, and you can create skills and sub agents using the same network. Thank you for now. But if you have any more questions on this, you can put down in the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. One thing which I want to talk about it, wherever you are running these two things into Ollama mode, your machines should be pretty high from virtual CPU and memory perspective, because it takes a lot of memory if you're running Ollama. If you're not running Ollama using cloud, then it is fine. Otherwise, have a heavy machine. So that is for now. I'll take a pause and see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.